Welcome to Mini Masters. Today, we're entering the magical world of Snow White and focusing on her special friendship with one of the seven dwarfs, Grumpy. Once upon a time, Snow White, the fairest in the land, fled from her wicked stepmother, the evil queen, and found herself in a cozy cottage in the forest. This cottage belonged to seven dwarfs: Doc, Sleepy, Sneezy, Bashful, Happy, Dopey, and, of course, Grumpy. While most of the dwarfs quickly adored Snow White's kind heart, Grumpy was, well, a bit more cautious. Grumpy was always suspicious and stubborn. He didn't trust easily and thought that Snow White's gentle ways were too good to be true. But Snow White didn't let Grumpy's gruff exterior stop her from being kind to him. She treated him with patience and understanding, offering him a warm smile, even when he tried to keep his distance. Over time, Grumpy's heart softened. He saw that Snow White truly cared about each of the dwarfs, cooking for them, tidying up their cottage, and even singing them sweet songs. Little by little, Grumpy started to appreciate her kindness, even if he didn't always show it. Then one day, when the evil queen arrived in disguise and put Snow White under a sleeping spell, it was Grumpy who led the dwarfs in a courageous mission to stop her. Despite his tough exterior, he was heartbroken at the thought of losing Snow White, who had become his dear friend. In the end, true love's kiss broke the spell, and Snow White awoke, surrounded by her seven loyal friends. Grumpy, though still a bit rough around the edges, knew how much he cared about Snow White and had become her true friend. Through their friendship, Grumpy learned that sometimes letting others in can bring the greatest happiness. Thank you for joining us on Mini Masters. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical adventures. Remember, everyone has a soft side, even those who seem the grumpiest. See you soon.